Fitzroy Island is an island off the coast of Cairns in Queensland, Australia. The most common way to get there is a 45-minute sail on the Fitzroy Flyer. When we went, we bought our tickets online and had to find the boat slip on our own. This wasn't much of an issue, but we did walk right by the boat slip the first time. But now they have a check-in desk in the plaza to help you get checked in. Once you're on the island, there's maps and signs pointing you in the right direction for whatever activity you want to spend your time on. Our first stop was to head to Nudey Beach, which was voted one of the best beaches in Australia. It's about a 45-minute round-trip walk, and for the most part, the path is paved or rock steps. If you want to do some other things on your own, the dive center hires out kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. You could hike to the Secret Gardens, Island Summit, and Lighthouse, or just hang out at the Island Bar and Grill. If tours are more your thing, the Dive Center offers on-island diving, snorkeling, or glass-bottom boat tours, or you can head off-island and go snorkeling or diving on the outer reef with Cairns Dive Center or Sunlover Reef cruises. There's also a turtle rehab center on the island that does daily tours, and certain days there's catamaran sailings available. So what are our tips for visiting the island? I would say go for the whole day or stay the night on the island. We decided last minute to visit, which meant we were the last boat of the day and only got a few hours to explore. I would also say go snorkeling. There's supposed to be great snorkeling just off of the beaches. When we were there, the water and air were a little bit chilly, but I wish we would have done some snorkeling either at Nudey Beach or around the Shark Fin Cove area. Even for just the few hours we were there, Fitzroy Island was a blast, and I would highly recommend visiting. And that's it. I hope this video helps you on your trip to Fitzroy Island. See you out there!